Philippine media-based art animation. What is animation? Animation is the process of creating the illusion of motion and shape changes by means of the rapid display of a sequence static images that minimally differ from each other. Animation can be seen in your favorite TV commercials, music, movies, or even videos. The following are the techniques and style in creating an animation. First, we have traditional animation. So this involves animators drawing by hand for each and every frame. If you love the feel of paper and pencils, then the traditional approach is very fascinating. Traditional animation is creating the drawings one by one on the frame. 2D animation involves creating numerous drawings, then feeding into a plastic cell, hand painting them, and create the animated sequence on a painted background images. Second, we have digital 2D animation. It is called vector animation. It is creating animations in the two-dimensional space with the help of digital technologies. You don't need to create digital models, you just need to draw the frames. Create hundreds of drawings and animating them to show some kind of movement is typically known as digital 2D animation. Using Adobe Flash, animators can limit the number of drawings used, which makes them easier to create digital 2D animation. Small variation like changing the colors or frame rate can be changed almost instantly, thus making it easier for the animators to work on. Third, we have stop motion animation. Stop motion is done by capturing a photo of an object, then moving it just a little bit to take another photo. This process is similar to traditional animation, but it uses real-life objects instead of drawing to create an illusion of movement. And even though it is also time-consuming and expensive, the end results are often unique and incomparable. Next, we have digital 3D animation. It is making the unreal character in a realistic one. Digital 3D animation characters are much faster to create and they are quite popular in the movie making industry. Using a computer software, 3D animated images are used to create many short films, full-length movies, and even TV commercials. And a career in digital 3D animations is highly rewarding. Comparing to 2D animation and the traditional approach, 3D animation models are highly realistic. One best example for this animation is the RPG Metanoia. Last one is motion graphics. This still considered as a form of animation. Motion graphics is nothing unlike the other types of animation as it is not character or story driven. It's simply the art of moving graphics elements such as text or shape. Common examples include animated logos, film opening, titles, explainer videos, and app advertisement. Thank you for listening.